What up, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're going to be riding the M10, which is a famous mountain road, which basically starts from straight in front of us and goes all the way across all these mountains that are right in front of us. So we're going to be riding that for the whole day today. It's going to be exciting. Let's do this thing. So the one thing we got to be careful of is the police presence is pretty high on this road. I think back in 2021 they decided to get police drones to start watching over that road. You just cannot have any fun on that road anymore. So yeah, we're gonna be on our best behavior, ladies and gentlemen, on our best behavior. You see, you can already see the sign. It says radar warning because they have a freaking drone over here. So anyways, this is the start of the road, so let's do this. Tires are still pretty cold, so time to take it pretty slow. Lots of cyclists. Too many cyclists, actually. This is a very technical road right now. It's kind of boring and tedious. I'm just going to talk about the bike a little bit. Don't get me wrong, this bike is great. It is an amazing, four-cylinder bike. It's amazing. It's smooth. It's quicker than my old Kawa, for sure. But the only real problem I have with it is the brakes. The brakes don't feel too good. They don't really give you that much confidence. So trail braking, it feels numb. It feels like, it's hard to explain, but when you're trail braking, you usually want to feel that brake lever and you want to feel the brakes slowly fading away. But that's really the only issue I have with it. It's just getting used to the brakes. I know that once I'm really used to the brakes, I will be able to do more trail braking and feel more comfortable with them. But for now, I would say they're not as good than my old Kawa. They just don't give me that feedback that I really wish I had, especially when it comes to trail braking. But they're still really, they're strong brakes. They bite and they feel good when you use them for braking, but when it comes to trail braking, they are not the best. But anyways, that's really my only issue with the bike. Apart from that, I couldn't really complain. It's still an amazing bike and just super smooth. But when it comes to this, for example, it does not feel as good as on my old Z900. I'm actually doing more braking just with the engine instead of actually braking with trail braking, Here I'm trail braking, but it just it doesn't give me confidence. It does not give me confidence. But apart from that, amazing bike, super smooth. I love the sound of it. It has a old Gixxer engine, so it's freaking fast. This bike is fast. It doesn't have a lot of character, as people say, but this bike is meant to be ridden at a high RPM. That's really when the character comes out. It's sort of 3-stroke bike or 2-stroke bike. It's a 4-stroke, so it's a smooth engine, and it really shines when you keep it up in the rev range. But yeah, let's carry on and enjoy some riding. Later on throughout the road, there'll be a section where you basically cannot overtake. They completely closed it off, that you cannot overtake anymore. Look at that view over there. Still very technical here. Oh, there's some baby goats. Hi guys. Hi guys. Oh, they're so cute. That's adorable. One thing I've noticed about this bike, the Suzuki right here, is first gear feels amazing. I would compare first gear on this bike to my second gear on my Z900. It's super smooth, which is really good for being a first gear, because usually first gear is kind of a snatchy, it's kind of a snatchy throttle on most bikes, unless you got good throttle control, you know. But this bike has a really smooth first gear, like, oh, it's really confident inspiring as well, and you can really stay in first gear, which is really nice if you want to take these twisties. Oh, baby sheeps. Hi guys. Oh, they're cute. Got some baby sheep. There's a lot of wildlife on this road, so you gotta be at your best behavior. And not run them over like I almost did. I almost ran over a deer once. That was interesting, to say the very least. Interesting, I think. Hi buddy. Is that a cop? I hope that's not a cop. That guy had like high vis and everything, and he was on a GSXS, so no, not a GSXS. What am I talking about? BMW. Your typical adventure BMW. GSR, that's what it is. Oh, there it is. That's beautiful. Man, this bike sounds so damn good. So damn good. That's the view. So now we're basically in a very famous area where motorcycle riders used to always race up here and enjoy themselves, but now, as you can see right in front of us, there's a drone and police helicopter warning. So they basically scan all around here. Well, not all the time, but they do have patrols. And if they catch you doing anything illegal right here, they you know, they try and pull you over if they can find you. So it's kind of annoying. And you used to be able to overtake all along these all along this road, but they basically made it so you can't overtake anymore on this line. I don't know what it's called, but it's like a double yellow. It's a permanent double yellow for you Americans. I basically have to sit here now behind this car for the rest of this journey, which is just annoying. But hey, at least we get to enjoy these views. At least that. Look, I used to be able to overtake right here, like you can kind of see from the paint marks that they just painted over the dotted lines and just made it a straight line, which is just so frustrating. It's just so frustrating. Like, I'm stuck here now, and I just cannot enjoy my ride. I mean, I can enjoy my ride, don't get me wrong. I'm not gonna sit here and pretend like this isn't fun, but would I say this is less fun than, you know, having the road for yourself and being able to go around the corners a little bit quicker? Yeah, I'd say this is definitely less fun. I'm just kind of cruising. Like, I could be on a Harley doing this, but I bought a sport bike for a reason, you know. But hey, man, sometimes this is just a life lesson, guys. Sometimes you just gotta sit there and just try and enjoy the cruise, you know. You just gotta cruise around a little bit. But yeah, we made it down. We're now in Soyer, and we're gonna carry on and continue the road, the M10. Now, I've never actually continued it from here, so I'm excited to try the new area. So how do I get from here? Yeah, so this is the M10. So yeah, it is this way. Alrighty, I've never been here, ladies and gentlemen, so this is very new to me. Never been on this road, so I'm taking it. Oh, you see, this is what I mean. This is what I mean. That's exactly what I mean by taking it slower than usual on new roads, because you have no idea where you're going. Man, the quick shifter, it's such a game changer. Man, this is what I'm here for, bro. This is what I'm freaking here for, man. Oh, this is so good. Man, oh, look at that view as well. Yo, that was... Like, it's not fast sweeping corners, but it's very supermoto style, like very technical corners, but so much fun. So much fun. So we just got some fuel, and I'm gonna carry on road. One thing I can also talk about when it comes to this Suzuki is the suspension is kind of soft. It's very road orientated, if that is the right way to describe it. So it is quite soft, a bit too soft for my liking. Okay, the views here are pretty nice. Very nice. I still can't overtake though, which is really annoying. Can't overtake. God, I'm sorry, I had to go quick there, guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna behave now. My bad, but that was too... The opportunity was right there, you know. Oh my lord, the views. Woo! Is that a tunnel? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Now that's a view. I like that. I like that. Okay, this road is really broken. Wow. Oh wow, this road is bad. It's got a lot of potholes. It's like I'm riding in England right now. Oh my god. This road needs to be remade, ladies and gentlemen. This one is no bueno. I think we've almost made it to the finish line. I hope so, at least. I'm getting tired. I need some food. I'm just like in autopilot mode right now, you know. But definitely, I think I made it. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Oh my lord. That was something. I don't know where I'm going actually now. I'm gonna go here real quick. Well guys, I'm gonna stop here for a minute. That was awesome. And yeah, I would recommend if you're ever in Spain and visit this island. I couldn't recommend this road enough. Just take it really slow. Don't overtake in the places you shouldn't overtake, and you should be fine. But yeah guys, I'm gonna ride home. I think I'm just gonna stick to the highway because that was a long journey. That was like at least, I don't know, 2 hours almost. So 2 hours of twisties. Alright guys, have a good one. Pieces. Love you guys.